Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss English Channel. I'm Emily, and today we'll dive into something very real for all of us, health and fitness.
And I'm Paul. Think about the last time you felt full of energy after a walk or a good night's sleep. Health is part of daily life, right?
Exactly. Whether it's eating breakfast, taking the stairs, or going for a run, these little choices shape how we feel every day.
That's why today we'll practice English phrases about health and fitness. Simple, practical, and useful, whether you're at the gym, doctor's office, or just chatting with friends.
Stay until the end because you'll not only learn key phrases, but also practice them out loud with us. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe.
Let's start with a scene. You're in a quiet waiting room at the doctor's office. A soft clock ticks. A nurse calls your name.
You feel a little nervous. The doctor asks, "How are you feeling today?" What could you say? One simple answer, "I'm feeling tired."
Or, if you want to be more specific, I have a headache. I feel dizzy. My stomach hurts. These are short but powerful phrases.
Try repeating with us now. "I'm feeling tired." Your turn. Say it out loud. Good. Now, "I have a headache." One more time.
Great job. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Even one clear phrase can help a doctor understand you. Done is better than perfect.
Now let's shift. Picture a sunny morning. Birds are singing. You're meeting a friend for a walk in the park.
Your friend asks, "Do you exercise often?" How can you answer? One option is, "Yes, I go jogging 3 times a week."
Or maybe, "I don't exercise much, but I want to start." Both are simple. Both keep the conversation going.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I go jogging 3 times a week. Your turn. Perfect. Now, I want to start.
Here's the motivation part. Health is not about doing everything. It's about small steps, 1% better every day.
That's the 1% rule. If you walk 10 minutes today, you are already stronger than yesterday. Same with English. Small steps add up.
Now let's learn some useful phrases for fitness. I lift weights. I go to the gym. I take yoga classes.
And don't forget everyday actions, like I walk to work, I take the stairs, I ride my bike. These are all about daily life.
Try this mini practice. Say, "I walk to work every morning." Good. Again, "I walk to work every morning." Nice and clear.
Excellent. Let's make it fun. Emily, how often do you exercise?
Honestly, Paul, I try 3 times a week, but sometimes life gets busy.
Same here, but even dancing in the kitchen counts. Moving your body is moving your life forward.
True, and talking about health in English is the same. Small, real conversations bring confidence.
Let's add a vocabulary spotlight. Word 1, healthy. It means good for your body. Synonym is fit. Example, I eat vegetables to stay healthy.
Word 2, exercise. Synonym is work out. Example, I exercise in the morning. Word 3, strong. Synonym is powerful. Example, he feels strong after training.
Word 4, rest. Synonym is relax. Example, I need to rest after work. Word 5, diet. Synonym is meal plan. Example, my diet includes rice and fish.
Perfect. These words appear everywhere, in the gym, in the kitchen, even in conversations with friends.
Let's do one more little story. Jesse is in a cafe with his friend Crystal. They order smoothies. Crystal asks, "Why do you always choose fruit?"
Jesse smiles. He says, "Because I want to stay healthy." Crystal laughs and replies, "Okay, next time I'll try your healthy choice too."
Simple story, simple English, but powerful in real life. You can say the same when ordering food.
Before we wrap up this page, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I want to stay healthy.
Good. Once more, with more energy. I want to stay healthy.
Excellent. So today we talked about how to explain feelings at the doctor, how to answer questions about exercise, and how to use fitness phrases.
Remember, even if you learn just one phrase today, you are improving. Health and English both grow step by step.
Don't forget to comment below with one phrase you'll use today. It could be, I want to stay healthy, or I go jogging.
And if this was useful, share it with a friend. Learning together is always better.
Stay strong, stay positive, and keep speaking.
And keep moving your body, your mind, and your English. See you on the next episode.
Welcome back, friends. This is page 2 of our journey into health, fitness, and English. Take a deep breath, smile, and let's continue.
Imagine the evening. Street lights are glowing. You're walking home, holding a small bag of groceries. Someone asks, "What do you usually eat?"
A simple answer could be, I usually eat rice and vegetables. Or, I usually eat chicken and salad. Clear, short, and easy.
Let's practice together. Repeat. I usually eat rice and vegetables. Good. Now, I usually eat chicken and salad. Perfect.
Food is such a big part of health, and it's a great way to practice English. Even when you're cooking, you can say the words out loud.
Like, I cut the onions. I wash the carrots. I boil the eggs. Everyday actions become practice for your mouth and memory.
Let's create a little story. Crystal is in her kitchen. She's cooking soup. She says, I chop the garlic. I add salt.
Her roommate walks in and asks, "What are you cooking?" Crystal smiles and says, "I'm making vegetable soup." Short, clear, and friendly.
You can practice like this too. Every action you do in the kitchen, say it in English. It's free practice every day.
Now let's move to another situation. You're at the gym. Music plays loudly. People lift weights. A trainer asks, "What exercise do you like?"
You can say, I like running. I like yoga. I like swimming. Easy patterns. Just change the activity.
Let's try. Repeat after me. I like running. Good. I like yoga. Excellent. I like swimming. Clear and strong.
And if you want to ask a friend, you can say, what exercise do you like? Simple and natural.
Health and fitness words are flexible. You can use them in different places. Gym, park, or even at home when talking with friends.
Let's spotlight more vocabulary. Word 1, fit, meaning healthy and strong. Example, she looks fit because she runs every day.
Word 2, energy, meaning power in your body. Example, I have no energy today. Synonym is strength.
Word 3, stretch, meaning to make your body long before exercise. Example, I stretch before running.
Word 4, breathe, meaning take air in and out. Example, breathe slowly and relax.
Word 5, habit, meaning something you do often. Example, drinking water in the morning is my habit.
Now let's connect language and mindset. Health is about habits, and English is too. The small daily habit changes everything.
If you repeat one phrase every day, your English becomes stronger. If you walk every day, your body becomes stronger.
That's the secret, not perfection, but small steps. Motivation comes after action. Start, and the energy will follow.
Let's do another mini story. Jesse is at the gym. He feels tired. He says, I don't have much energy today.
The trainer replies, "That's okay. Just start with 5 minutes. Jesse tries. After 10 minutes, he feels better and smiles.
Lesson: start small. In English too, even one phrase a day makes progress.
Now let's practice interaction. I'll ask you a question. How often do you exercise?
Take a moment. Answer out loud. You can say, I exercise twice a week. Or, I don't exercise much. Both are fine.
Great. Now another question. What healthy food do you like? Say, I like apples, or I like fish. Your turn.
Excellent. Keep speaking. Your voice is your practice.
Here's something cultural. In many countries, people greet each other by asking about health. They say, "How are you?" Or even, "Have you eaten?"
That's true. Health is connection. Talking about food or exercise is a way of showing care.
So when you practice English, don't just learn the words, feel the care inside them.
Let's add a funny moment. Paul, do you remember the time I tried yoga for the first time?
Oh yes, you almost fell asleep during meditation.
True, but I learned one phrase that day. Take it easy. It's a useful idiom.
Yes, take it easy means relax, don't stress. Example, I have a headache, so I'll take it easy today.
Another idiom? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It means eating healthy prevents sickness.
Idioms make language fun. They add color, like exercise adds energy to the body.
Let's finish with a quick review. Today we practiced phrases like, I'm feeling tired. I go jogging. I want to stay healthy.
We also learned new words: healthy, exercise, strong, rest, diet, fit, energy, stretch, breathe, habit.
And we added idioms, take it easy, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Remember, even if you remember just one phrase, you're improving. Language grows like health, step by step, day by day.
So, what about you? Comment one phrase you will use today. Maybe, I like swimming, or I want to stay healthy.
And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend. Practice together, like going to the gym with a partner.
Your mistakes don't matter. Your effort does.
Keep moving, keep speaking, and keep smiling.
This is Emily from Miss English Channel.
And this is Paul. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you next time.